What's going on, everybody? Matterport's earnings just released here, and I'm going to go over that, but I also wanted to mention that their earnings call is about 10 minutes away from now. I will be giving you guys an edited cut-up version of it, and once it's done, I will have it down below for you. It won't be there yet, but it will be down there for you soon. Now, let's get into this video and look at what Matterport's results are. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Definitely appreciate your support. Let's get right into it. And I will leave their report down below for you as well. But looking at this, their total revenue rose to a $41 million here in Q4 that they just reported. Subscription revenue rose to $19.3 million above company guidance for both of these here. And then Q4 product revenue rose to a $13.6 million, which is also a record, up 51% sequentially, so quarter over quarter. They had a GAAP loss per share of 21 cents, so negative 21 cents, and a non-GAAP loss of negative 9 cents. And this is at the high end of the company's guidance range. And their 2022 annual revenue rose to a record $136 million, up 22% from the year 2021. Now, if you watched my previous Matterport video, you kind of know how their balance sheet was looking, but we have an update on that now. Their balance sheet now still remains strong with $477 million in cash and investments with no debt. And as said by their chairman and CEO, RJ Pittman, we delivered record revenue again in the fourth quarter as our subscriber base continued to grow and our spaces under management exceeded 9 million. Enterprise demand remains robust as customers access many verticals such as manufacturing, AEC, travel, hospitality. They're all increasingly turning to Matterport's digital twins for remote facility management, saving companies measurable travel time and money while boosting productivity. And as our digital twin platform ecosystem continues to grow, customers investing in our powerful add-ons will gain more insights and value from their facilities, storefronts, real estate, and office spaces. Now, said by the Chief Financial Officer of Matterport, J.D. Fay, our record total revenue for the fourth quarter and year, combined with the actions we've taken to control costs, are yielding significant benefits to our bottom line. Subscription revenue reached $19.3 million, which is a new record as we demonstrated broad-based adoption of our solution with subscribers exceeding the 700,000 milestone. At the same time, our disciplined approach to managing operating expenses enabled us to deliver a non-GAAP loss per share of 9 cents in the fourth quarter, which is the high end of their guidance range. I believe the momentum we saw in the second half of 2022 is carrying through to 2023 and sets the stage for another record-breaking year. But we're going to look right over that here. And one thing you'll notice that blared out to me right off the bat is their expected revenue here for their next quarter is actually going to be less than what we just saw. What we just got was 41 million, and their next quarter, or the quarter we're in currently, the one that they're going to be reporting on next, is they're expecting 34 to 36 million, but it is good to see their expectation for 2023 is going to be, higher than what we just saw for this year's revenue. But it seems like we do have a lapse here quarter over quarter. Now, as for year over year growth, their guidance here is a 19 to 26% growth, and subscription revenue is relatively flat as well. I'll go back up here and show you guys that they had a $19.3 million in revenue for subscription, and they're basically expecting the same thing here. And as for dilution, looking at the shares, we have 293 million expected by Q1 of 2023, and by the end of the year, the whole guidance is expected 300 million shares, so about another 7 million shares added is the expectation, at least. So I don't really want to form an opinion just yet. We do have some positive news, some slightly negative news in terms of their quarterly revenue. I definitely want to wait, listen to the call, see what the CEO says, and of course the financial officer as well, and also what the Q&A is going to look like. But you can see the reaction here that we had after hours. It had a huge spike right off the bat, a huge drop, and it seems like it is starting to recover as Wall Street digests this news. But make sure you stick around because I will give you guys an edited earnings call, and then once I'm able to actually digest it, I'll give you a future Matterport update, also go over the chart and all that good stuff. But thanks for watching. What do you think about Matterport's report? And if by the time you watch this and you listen to their call, how did their call go? What do you think about the earnings call? Thanks as always, guys, and have a good one. See you later.